Protecting ourselves from home and road accidents. There was a man. He had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars in his house. He lived in a very big house with slippery tiles. One day, he had a domestic accident. He fell from the slippery tiles and broke his leg. He recovered after he visited the hospital. He always makes phone calls when he is driving. He does not follow road signs. He likes overspeeding, even though he knows overspeeding can kill. He also likes drinking when he is driving and always passes by when the traffic light is red. As he crosses the traffic light with red light on, he is involved in a road accident. His car collides with another car. Keep your eye on the road when you are driving. Never use your cell phone. Never drink and drive. Follow speed limits. Follow the rules of the road. Now, let us learn how to cross the road. First, look left, look right, and look left again. If there is no car coming from either side, then cross the road. Walk fast, but do not run. You may trip and fall.